Once again, you are welcome to our YouTube channel at Noble High School and Online Lessons. Today we shall be looking at test of orals, and right here on the board we have Jamb Test questions. Under the first analysis, we shall be studying and analyzing year 1999, pages 26 to 28, then 29 to 31. We may also look at others under that analysis. Okay, we shall read the first question to begin. Question says, in each of questions 26 to 28, choose the word that does not have the same vowel sound as the others. We have the number 26. So, questions 26 to. Okay, number 26. Number 26 says we have A, the one that doesn't have the same vowel sound. A, we have L-O-O-T. B, we have B, we have B-O-O-T. Sorry. And C, we have R-U-T, R-O-U-T. D, we have R-O-U-T-E. For us to get this question, the right answer to this question, we first of all pronounce each of them, and then after the pronunciation, we get the answer and we begin to analyze. In the first one, which is 26, we have lutes. Then in the B, we have boots. In the C, we have routes. In the D, we have routes. In American English, we can also call this route. So the answer, since this one has long U sound, and in American English, we can also say it has ow sound. But we don't consider American English. So here we have ow sound, here we have long U sound, and here we have long U sound. So the only one that is different from the others is C, because it has the ow sound, whereas others have the U sound. Let's analyze more critically. So if we transcribe here, we have lutes. Lutes. Here we have boots. Here we have routes. Here we have roots. We can call it routes. So it's clear that the answer is C. The number 27. We have A as sun. I'm sorry for pronouncing it. B as S-H-U-N. C as S-O-N. D as S-H-O-R-T. Okay, we pronounce as to get the answer before we analyze. We have this as, we call it sun. This is shan. This is san. This is short. And the question still says, choose the word that doesn't have the same vowel sound as the others or as the rest. So if you look at the sound, we have the pronunciations. In A we have san, here we have shan, here we have san, here we have short. We give short usam, silent usam, silent osam, sorry, forgive me. Silent osam, silent osam, silent osam, or long or sound. The answer then becomes D. In full transcription we have san, shan, san, and this one as short. If you like, you put R. So the answer is D. You get that? The answer is D. Number 28. A is deep. Sorry for pronouncing. B is Lease. C is Meet. And D is Lace. Oh, if we pronounce, we have deep, we have leaves, we have meats, we have lace. Okay, in the transcriptions here, mini transcription we have as given long isam, and a diphthong, which is a sound. The only different answer or option is D, and that makes it the answer. Now we have a full transcription of all the words. In A we have deep. In B we have leaves. In C we have meat. And in D we have lace. Okay, number 29 is a different kind of question or pattern of question. It says from number 29, it says in each of questions 29 to 31, choose from the options the word that has the same sound. Choose from the options the word that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The one that has the same vowel sound as the one italicized. That is what it means. Remove. So the word given is plateau. And EAU is underlined. So we have option A as WANTED. In B we have B-E-L-O-W. C, we have H-O-L-I-D-A-Y. And D, we have H-A-U-N-T-E-D. That is. Okay, we're going to pronounce so as to get the answer before we analyze. Here we have plateau. I need to transcribe the word. This is simply write plateau. It's the case in the B. American English, the stress falls here. For British, it falls here. So we can leave the stress for now. Okay, this is O on the line. Right here we have the word wanted. This is, oh sorry, forgive me, it's a mistake. Wanted. Short O sound, short E sound. Here we have below. Here we have holiday. So this is short O sound, short E sound, diphthong A, and then here we have long O sound and E short E sound. If we look through the options that are here, the only one that has the same sound or vowel sound actually as the one italicized is below, and that is option B. It makes it the answer. If we may transcribe all of them, maybe we'll not continue with that system, but for the sake of better understanding, let's just do this one. That's good. So we have wanted transcribed as wanted. Then below transcribed as below. Here, holiday transcribed as holiday. Haunted transcribed as haunted. Our answer is B. Then 30. Question 30. We have the word research. EAR underlined. We can transcribe as research. So the underlined, when we take options A to D. A says A is T-U-R-B. B is C-O-M-F-O-R-T. C is A-F-F-A-I-R, and D is C-A-R-R-Y. So we're going to pronounce the words before we choose our option as usual, and then we transcribe if we have the time. So we took, the first one is disturb. So we have short E sound here and the long S sound. If you like, we place the R. We come here, we have the silent O sound, but here the silent R sound with an R, if you like. So here we have the silent R sound, and then, the diphthong air. If you like, you place the R, bracket. Then here we have the short R sound. Short R sound. So from these options, it's easy to note that the correct option is A because it has the long S sound as in the given word research. Okay, if you maybe with this may be the last one we're going to transcribe. So let's transcribe them. We have this ter, if it's a verb, is ter. Then comfort. Comfort. Affair. Carry. The last number, oh, is it the last number? Yeah. The last number here is rust. Number 31, which leaves us with the word R-U-S-T, rust. We have U underlined, and then we transcribe it as rust. Option A. L-O-U-D. Option B. T-O-U-C-H. Option C. B-O-U-G-H-T. And option D is M-A-R-C-H. Now we look at the words. We're looking for the silent O sound. So here we have loud, out sound. Here we have touch. Here we have board, long O sound. And here we have march. Like you place the R. So from this, our answer is this. I hope the class was wonderful. We were able to learn some things. I would like to use this opportunity to invite you once again to our YouTube channel. In case you have not subscribed, there are a lot of things that are going on in this channel that you are missing. I would advise that you do that right away for better learning processes. Thank you very much for watching.